Hello everyone. Welcome to ACP Civil Hub. In this video, we will understand the steel column base plate detail with anchor rods and learn how loads are safely transferred from a steel column to a concrete foundation. This drawing represents a typical steel column base connection commonly used in industrial buildings, warehouses, steel sheds, and various structural steel projects. Let us first look at the steel column. The column used in this detail is an SHS section of size 200 by 200 by 6 mm. SHS stands for square hollow section. This type of section provides good structural strength, stability, and an efficient load-carrying capacity. Now let us understand the base plate. The base plate size is 300 by 300 mm with a thickness of 16 mm. The main purpose of the base plate is to distribute the load coming from the steel column over a larger area of the concrete foundation. This helps reduce bearing pressure and ensures safe load transfer. Next, let us examine the anchor rods. 4 M20 anchor rods are provided at the corners of the base plate. These anchor rods hold the steel column firmly in position and help resist uplift forces, lateral forces, and vibrations. The anchor rods are embedded into the concrete foundation and secured using nuts and washers. Now let us look at the front view shown in the drawing. In the front view, we can clearly see the steel column welded to the base plate. The anchor rods pass through the base plate and are tightened using hex nuts and washers. This arrangement provides stability and proper alignment during erection. Let us now review the base plate detail. The base plate contains 4 holes designed to accommodate the M20 anchor rods. Proper hole sizing ensures easy installation and alignment at the construction site. Next, let us review the material schedule. The steel column is SHS 200 by 200 by 6 mm. The base plate is 300 by 300 by 16 mm. The anchor rods are M20. Hex nuts and plane washers are used for proper tightening and load distribution. Important construction practices include proper leveling of the base plate, accurate positioning of anchor rods, and final tightening after alignment of the steel column. This type of base connection is widely used in industrial structures, warehouse buildings, equipment support structures, and steel-framed construction projects. A properly detailed base plate connection improves structural stability, durability, safety, and long-term performance. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this content useful, please like, share, and subscribe to ACP Civil Hub for more civil engineering, structural engineering, and construction knowledge videos. See you in the next video.